Hello, my name's Steve Taylor, and today we're going to look at the Peplink Ad Delivery Service from the user's perspective. We'll look at the survey, the video, and the banner to see how this works when they log in to the Wi-Fi. So the first thing we're going to do is to make sure that we only have our survey active. So we're going to go into our video, edit the settings, and we're going to change the start date for this video. We change that to the 31st of October and save those settings. We will then do the same with our banner. Change the dates on here, edit the properties, change the start time to the 31st of October. And back to the dashboard, and we can see here that we have one survey that's live, one video and one banner that are waiting to start. Okay, so now let's have a look and see what the user experiences when they log into our free Wi-Fi. The first thing that happens is it will open up their default browser and take them to our captive portal, where they need to agree to our terms and conditions and our privacy policy, and then sign in. They will then be prompted to complete our user survey by clicking the Start button and answering, in this case, our 2 simple questions. Once the survey is completed, they will then be able to click the Continue button and start browsing the internet. Now we're going to promote our video, so we will edit our survey, change the start date to the 31st of October, and then edit our video so that this starts immediately. And back on the dashboard, we can now see that we have a survey and a banner waiting to start and a live video. When our user now logs into our free Wi-Fi, again, the default browser will open and they will be asked to log in to our captive portal, agreeing to our terms and conditions and our privacy policy. And sign in. This time, they will be asked to watch a video before they can browse the internet. So here we have a quick Peplink video explaining a little bit about our products. Once the video is finished, they will be able to start browsing the internet. Okay, now let's set up the banner for our users to experience. So the first thing we're going to do is change our video so that this is now delayed. So we'll edit that, edit the properties, and start it on the 31st of October. And save the settings. Now we'll change our banner and change the start date so that this starts immediately. Okay, and back to the dashboard to check our settings, and our survey and our video are now waiting to start whilst our banner is live. So this time, when our user logs into our free Wi-Fi, again the default browser will open and they will be asked to sign into our captive portal, agreeing to our terms and conditions and our privacy policy. Now they will be given a banner, which is basically a static image which is on the screen for a few seconds, and once that's finished they will then be able to connect to the internet and start browsing. If you are testing this in the same way that I have been, you may notice that clients do not always see the captive portal. This is because InControl believes they already have a session open. So by going to the client section of the appropriate group and signing them out, they will then be able to sign back in and see our captive portal, agreeing to our terms and conditions again. Thank you very much for watching.